Welcome to the Timer Programming Guide for the HQUA fountain system. This video will guide you step by step through all the timer functions, including clock adjustment, programming, countdown setup, and more. Let's get started. First, open the weatherproof box. There are two timers inside, one for the fountain and one for the light kit. If your timer is in sleep mode when you receive it, simply press the reset button with a needle or similar tool to activate the timer before proceeding. If the timer is already active, you can directly begin setting it up. First, let's take a look at the buttons on the timer and what they do. Now that you're familiar with the buttons, let's move on to adjusting the clock. Setting the correct time is an essential first step. Here's how to adjust the clock. First, you can select the AM/PM mode or 24 hours format by holding the clock button for 3 seconds. All operations in the following video will be performed in the 24-hour format. Now, let's start to set the time. Press and hold the clock button. While holding it, press the day, hour, and min buttons to set the current day, hour, and minute. With the clock adjusted, your timer is now ready for programming. Now it's time to program your timer's on and off events. Start by pressing the timer button. The LCD screen will display 1 on. This indicates that you can now set the turn-on time for your fountain or light kit. Press the day button to select one of 15 daily program combinations. Keep pressing the day button until you find the one that matches your schedule. Once the day combination is chosen, use the hour and min buttons to set the time for 1 on. After setting 1 on, press the timer button again. The screen will now display 1 off. Repeat the process to set the turn-off time. Select the same daily program combination using the day button and set the off time using the hour and min buttons. To add more on-off events, press the timer button again. You'll see 2 on, 2 off, and so forth, up to a maximum of 18 on-off events. When you've finished programming all your events, press the clock button to save your settings and start the timer. To review your programmed on-off events, keep pressing the timer button. The LCD will cycle through all the events you've set. If you need to reset or recall the current programs, press the manual button. Once you're satisfied with your settings, you're ready to explore additional timer features, like the countdown function. Here's how to use it. In clock mode, press and hold clock and timer together for 3 seconds. The LCD will display like this. Press and hold clock, then use the hour and min buttons to set the countdown duration from 00 to 23:59. Press the manual button to start the countdown. The timer will turn on for the set duration. If you need to stop the countdown early, simply press the timer button and the timer will stop and return to the original settings. To exit countdown mode and return to clock mode, press and hold clock and timer together for 3 seconds again. That's it. You now know how to set up and use your fountain system timer. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out to us at hqua.tech@gmail.com. Thank you for choosing our product and enjoy your fountain system.